Yo, hello guys, it's Switch here. Today I just want to introduce you guys to the new game on my top 10 playlist. So I'm just going to play those games soon on the daily stream. I'm trying to research right now for the games which I'm happy to play, and one of those games is going to be a hamster combat game. So it's like a hamster universe game, hamsterverse to be exact with, as you can see right now on the screen. We are having screen with games to choose from. So we have the Hamster Game Dev Heroes, which I already show on the channel, but the idea is to do them on daily basis. So despite the fact I done it already, the Hamster Game Dev Heroes, I will be going back and forward within the games I'm going to play. So there's going to be like 10 games which I'm going to do, let's say, every day, different game from those 10 games as basically my review of what's happening within those games. So without no further ado, we're just gonna jump to the Hamster Fight Club, which is super cool game. It's really amazing game. And finally I decide to go with all the screens on one screen, if that makes sense, because I was struggling, like I supposed to set up the camera, yeah, and with the blue stack and shit, and finally I figure this is the way to go. Righty, so the gameplay is really straightforward. You have the battle button, so we're just gonna press it. So I'm just pressing the battle now. And really straightforward if you have the points to refill. So I don't have any points, so we can actually press refill, and then we need to watch the ad. And the amazing stuff about this game is we actually can multitask this on the computer. So this is the game which we can just play purely on desktop from the Telegram. You don't need a BlueStack, you don't need your Android phone, whatever. So you just can press watch the ad without really watching the ad, if that makes sense. Like you just multitasking. So that's why I choose that game, because you just pressing that, you don't care about this. This is like your one of the games you're going to play. Like right now I'm multitasking around 10 games, but the idea is to play 40 and share with you guys, obviously, on this channel. So we've done this. And I'm supposed to have a refill. Supposed to charge with points. I don't know what's going on now. Booster purchase, okay. So I used already, okay, sorry, excuse me. So we use that. The idea is to run this app as extra thing, like you're just working aside, you're just doing your project, and you have like a couple of apps either on left side on your screen if you have massive telly, or either you have like I have right now 2 monitors. But with that being said, I really want to invest into big massive curvy monitor, so I can actually multitask, like I said, at least 40 apps in one go, which is going to be handy, because with 2 monitors, it's to be honest with you, it's fucked up. With 2 monitors, it's fucked up just simply because you need to fucking juggle around those edges, and it's just fucked up. And another thing, I won't be able to show you what I'm doing on the stream. So at some point, I will invest into that, and obviously big massive table, and I'm sorted. Then I can just fucking make a living in fucking room without going out anywhere. Simple as that. Anyway, so we just charge that. We just can press the battle. Battle is going by yourself. You don't need to do anything. You're just pressing the button. Like I said, you can just move aside, obviously, this somewhere else. Obviously, I want you guys to see what's going on. But the thing is, like, you can just move this up. You don't need to bother at all. What I'm doing, like, I'm just multitasking a couple of games, and then I'm just doing my own stuff. Obviously, if you really want to focus on, let's say 10, 15, 20 games, then you obviously need to allocate your time to play that game. And on the right side, it's my phone, which I connected as well. So we're waiting 30 minutes for unlocking the toy builder. I need another 10 days. It's going to be 9 days. The quality is shit here, but we can change that. High definition. But the thing is, like, I already noticed, like, when I'm doing this sort of stuff, is my computer is lagging because it's old PC. So few apps and my PC doesn't know what the fuck is going on. But we will get there. We will get there to get some. Oh, I get used to click on the screen. Like, what the fuck? Why it's not happening? But because it's not happening because it's just a mirror image. You fuck. You dumb fuck. need to do the hotkey for the big camera. It's a fucking mirror image. You just fucking clicking. Why the fuck doesn't work? Why the fuck doesn't work? Maybe it's a touch screen. Maybe it's a touch screen. That'd be a good idea, actually. Yeah, to buy a big touch screen, because I have BNQs. I used to play the Counter-Strike back in the day, so I have those 240 Hz both monitors, which they are good for playing shooters. But other than that, they're gonna be just a fucking chat monitor soon. Like, we're going to be like one chat monitor and then one Telegram monitor. So you will see that soon. So pretty much that's it. The game is just super self-explanatory, but again, I'm gonna show you maybe more like in depth, whatever that means. Like, guys, going to finish the fight. What we can actually do inside this game, like, other than press the button, the battle button. So we have the marketplace, which is locked right now. So that's a shame. We have the attack, which is over there. We have the power, which you can press that, and that show us our characteristics from our character. So we have the power, points, defense, HP, attack maximum, critical chance, critical damage, extra attack, stun, parry, block, fuck knows what. No, initiative, debuff, and dodge. And all those stats we are getting from our inventory, from the attributes. So as you can see, we have the inventory here. Lots of crap. Oh, fuck me. Much more than I expected. That's the thing, because I just multitask that crap, and basically I don't really bother much about, unless I'm just gonna get some better items, which is green and blue, which I guess is common and rare or some shit like that. Yeah, it's rare, and then I assume that's gonna be like uncommon, and then we have the commons. So basically, majority of that crap you just burn, and you can burn that, so you will have that green powder. So you can press burn. You're just gonna burn the motherfucker burn, and then if you don't have anything else to do, you can burn all that crap. You will have fuckloads of powder, green powder, for sniffing or whatever you want to use it. I guess we can use it to upgrade our items. And by the way, there's some item which it's no good, and we can burn that. We're gonna burn it. And yeah, we just can burn this. The idea is to sort of maybe upgrade those items which we are wearing, but then also you have to keep that in mind. Everything what we wearing on the beginning is going to be changed kind of like sooner than later. So like, let's say a month from now, we're not gonna wear anything from that, so you can actually leave that. And I think I'm just gonna keep it. I was upgrading, as you can see. I have some item on level 4, but it's a common, so that's gonna be burned anyway. And then I have some mace on level 2. At the end of the day, it's not fucking worth it. It's like 1200 to upgrade that. The upgrade isn't really gonna be significant enough to like steamroll other fights or whatever. I think like the most important, well, I think I know for sure, like the most important stuff is actually I allocate 1 point into the shield, which I'm not really happy about this. You just want to go full in like a fucking berserk mode, like you don't give a fuck, and you just go to fucking damage. Just go all in the damage. At some point you will have so much damage, so it doesn't really matter how shitty your items are, because if you're gonna have like super high double chance to hit in like fucking critical strike, so you can just hit like fucking 100 points, which that's going to happen at some point. Like 2 months from now, I will be like doing like 4 times more damage with the same shitty items, if that makes sense. So yeah, I just want to go here, like left side, and then when you're going to finish this left side, just gonna start allocating whatever points whenever we like to. Then we have the glory tab. So we have like a glory points, and those glory points are actually give you the glory per minute. And those glory points are going to be justified for airdrop, basically. So the more glory points you have, the better airdrop you will receive. The airdrop, the first airdrop for the Hamster community is going to be on the 21st of September. So so we have like 4 months to grind all the fucking games just to before we're gonna receive the airdrop. So 7 minutes to unlock the TOYGERS app. Feel free to join me on my entrepreneur journey. Yeah, well, I'm gonna be one. Yeah, I mean, right now I'm just starting to discovering the crypto games. I wanna obviously, well, I'm already like fully in. Like I don't have money right now to invest, but the thing is, like, I'm just going to work. And then I'm just gonna buy fucking everything what I need to create here like nice, good, cozy office with some obviously collectibles around me. So that's the idea. Definitely I'm gonna invest into TOYGERS. I'm going to buy at some point every toy at least twice from this because this is like super amazing project. You're supposed to check this out. Play on daily basis. This project will build stuff to unlock you for mining the yacht coin for like as a passive income. So basically you'll be able to farm without scrolling this. Like 10 days from now I will be having the toy builder, which that's gonna give me 10,000 yacht by doing fuck all. Like I don't need to do anything, and that's huge. Because people don't think outside the box. You're just going to live another 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 years. So imagine that something will be actually mining something which actually you can turn into the money for another 60 years. And they will introduce more stuff. And obviously those people who are like really into that project, and I am, they will obviously receive much more points / cryptocurrency / rewards / whatever fucking things is going to be. So this project, I will be talking about this every video, either on the end of the video or on the beginning of the video, because this is fucking massive. This is fucking amazing. You just wanna join to that project. Okay, so I think that's it for now. Briefly went through everything from the I'm just gonna do some battle. I really like the graphic, by the way. Like obviously you can't see the same quality as I have on the touchpad. Also, why the fuck I always need to go, and always that zoom doesn't fucking work. Like that's supposed to be like that. Okay. Yeah, I just need to stop turning off computer when I'm going to bed, I guess. So maybe now you can see. I'm just gonna do one more fight. We have that chest. Always when we're winning, we have a chest, so we can open the chest. Yeah, I'm just gonna do one more battle. Actually, I have points for 2, so we're just gonna crack on with another 2 battles. So, yeah, this is like too small to actually see in this. Obviously, you see that on my screen, but I just thought that's gonna be like nice touch on the stream. Like you can actually see what I'm doing, and actually, this is actually useful. Again, I wanna click on the fucking continue on the desktop. This is like really useful, believe it or not, because I can actually put here one of the games which I can't use on the desktop. Like you need to use BlueStack for it, but keep that in mind, the BlueStack doesn't work for every game, so that's kind of fucked up. And I was actually trying to get one of the version of the BlueStack, like number 3, number 4, number 5, and I couldn't find the version where all my apps was able to work. So there have been some versions which some of the apps been working and some not. So just and when I click again on the screen. So yeah, I just decided to go basically with like mirror screens, which I think that's basically much better solution, because right now you can actually see everything what I'm doing either on the phone or on the touchpad. Okie dokie, so that's it for now. Actually going to right now record another video, like introduce you to miners. So I'm just using right now 2 miners as well from the same ecosystem. It's going to be massive on this channel. I will go through basically first from 1 to 40 apps to grind them on daily basis. Like I'm just tailoring sort of list for myself, what I like to play, what I'm enjoying, because everything what I'm showing you right now I'm enjoying. It's not just like I just choose a random game and just promoting that. No, it's just like I strongly believe in those projects already. They are super fun to play, super nice to play. You don't really need to spend any money if you want to, obviously. So I think that's the future for like gaming, Web3 / crypto games app for everybody who just want to start play games, having a fun, don't really spend much time, and having money from it at the end of the day. So that's crazy idea. Okie dokie. So take care and bye for now.